Wix eCommerce or Shift4Shop, two of the biggest names in website selling. One head-to-head showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, Wix eCommerce, where design freedom meets easy online selling. And on the right, Shift4Shop, full-featured e-commerce for scaling businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you.
Here's our roadmap for the showdown. We're running through pricing, e-commerce features, design and templates, integrations, payment and shipping, marketing, customer support, security, automation, and straight-up ease of use. Yep, all the stuff that actually matters if you're building a store. Okay, kicking things off with pricing, because honestly, that can make or break your decision. So Wix gives you a free plan, but let's be real, it comes with limits if you want proper e-commerce. Their paid plans are affordable to start, but the cool advanced stuff, that bumps you into the pricier tiers. And oh, heads up, transaction fees apply if you don't use Wix payments. Now, switching over to Shift4Shop, this is wild. There are 0 setup fees, and if you're in the US using Shift for payments, you can actually run your store for free, like genuinely free. The catch, if you're outside the States or want premium features, you might need to spring for upgrades. So for pricing, Shift4Shop sneaks ahead. Onto e-commerce functionality, which is huge. With Wix, you get a nice customizable storefront and a bunch of add-ons from their app market for jazzing things up. But if you're trying to scale or want heavy-duty sales tools, it kind of falls short. Inventory stuff, advanced product setup, even product testing, all pretty bare bones. Compare that to Shift4Shop, where honestly, it's like having a grown-up toy box for sellers. Group deals, wish lists, store credits, daily deals, the works. Way stronger order management, and there's basically no cap on how big you can get. Downside, the interface isn't super friendly out of the gate. But overall, Shift4Shop just power slides right past Wix for e-commerce functionality. Design and templates. This is where Wix flexes big time. They've got about 120 modern e-commerce templates, plus easy drag and drop in the editor, and even AI that throws in smart suggestions. That's actually really cool, right? You might need a couple manual tweaks for mobile, and yeah, if you're a code wizard, you'll need Velo for deep edits. But still, total design freedom for most folks. Shift4Shop, their templates are all business, built to convert, super usable, not ugly, just, not winning awards for artistry. Design customizations are fine, but they don't come close to Wix on flexibility. So Wix easily takes the crown for design.
Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. If you're in the States and you use Shift4 payments, Shift4Shop lets you run a totally free store online. Like, no monthly bill, no setup fee. That's bananas. Next up, integrations and extensibility. Wix has this massive app marketplace. So whether you crave marketing tools, payment gateways, or even some AI magic, you're kind of spoiled for choice. Sometimes the integrations aren't ultra deep for hardcore e-commerce stuff, but for most users, it's plenty. Shift4Shop plays strong too. Over 160 payment providers, major shipping carriers supported, but not nearly the plugin galore Wix comes with. So for expanding and customizing, Wix edges out Shift4Shop. Let's talk payment and shipping options, because nobody wants a nightmare checkout. Wix gives you their own payments option, plus about 50 more providers, and some digital wallet love. But honestly, if you're selling globally or want next-level shipping, it's average. Oh, and for real-time shipping rates, it's just USPS. Shift4Shop is a whole other league. 160 plus payment providers, wallets for international buyers, and real-time shipping through USPS, UPS, FedEx. Basically the works. Sure, some setup if you're not US-based, but still, Shift4Shop rocks this round. SEO and marketing, because traffic doesn't just magically show up, right? Wix packs in solid basics like SEO tools and email marketing with Ascend, but all the juicy promo features, flash sales, group deals, whatever, they're kind of MIA. With Shift4Shop, though, you get the full buffet. Advanced SEO, promotion engines for deals daily and in groups, plus integrated blogs and even gift certificates. I'll say they aim a little more at big sellers, but who doesn't love options? Shift4Shop takes this one. Customer support and CRM. So, who's actually there if things break? Wix gives you 24/7 support if you go for their higher plans, and there's a basic CRM rolled in. But let's be honest, it's not that deep. Store credits, returns, all that jazz, lacking. And if things get messy, solutions can be slow. Shift4Shop, though, actually brings all the good stuff. RMAs, store credits, all those after-sales pro tools. Much better for complicated businesses. Okay, yes, the interface can feel like decoding a spaceship at first, but feature-wise, Shift4Shop wins out. Security and reliability. Gotta have it. Both Wix and Shift4Shop give you SSL for free, and serious hosting power. Shift4Shop is PCI compliant. Wix is super robust. Honestly, they're neck and neck here. No clear winner, so it's a tie. AI and automation. Now this is kind of a fun one. Wix is actually sneaky good here. They've got AI that helps with design and even product management. It feels futuristic, honestly. Shift4Shop, not much in the AI department, at least in 2025. If you want automation and smart help, Wix is the way to go. Ease of use. Some of us just want to click and create. Wix is super visual, drag and drop editing, really quick setup. Honestly, intuitive, even if you've never built a site. Shift4Shop, not so much. It's more for folks who've been around the block. And yeah, the learning curve is steeper. So for getting started without a headache, Wix takes it. All right, so looking at the scores, Shift4Shop kinda bulldozes through all the heavy-duty e-commerce categories: pricing, selling tools, payments, and marketing. But Wix makes a strong showing, especially in design, AI, integrations, and pure ease of use. The radar chart makes it super clear. Shift4Shop is the powerhouse for growth. Wix is the design hero and set it up quick champ. So what's the real verdict? Honestly, it's all about what you want. Wix eCommerce, it's perfect for small shops, creators, anyone who really cares about how things look and wants hassle-free store setup. But if you're gunning for growth, need advanced selling, or managing complex orders and payments, Shift4Shop is where it's at. Both do their own thing, but for pro selling, Shift4Shop edges ahead. Ready to launch your dream store? Remember, pick the builder that fits your style and ambition. Bookmark this guide if you want to come back and compare before you make the leap.